What happens when a nation declares war on birds? In 1932, Australia faced an unexpected enemy, the emu. Over 20,000 emus invaded Western Australian farmlands, destroying crops and outsmarting farmers. The government deployed soldiers with machine guns, but the emus proved elusive, scattering and outrunning the troops. Despite firing thousands of rounds, only a few hundred birds were stopped. The emus claimed victory, and the military withdrew, leaving the birds to rule the fields. The Great Emu War remains a legendary tale of nature's surprising triumph.